It's a beautiful Saturday and we are doing a last-minute beach trip with some of our friends. But first we need to get tacos. So we're headed up to a taco spot my friend Ambry found yesterday just to get some Merida tacos before we hit the beach. The driver didn't even have a mask on. I didn't even realize we didn't even have our mask on until after the fact. But it smelled so bad. There was like water all over the floor, and that water like rolled in between like my sandal and my skin. So like my one foot is wet. I don't know what it was, but it smelled really, really bad. He must have like left his car open during the storm, but it smelled super duper bad. So this is the little spot right here. This little spot sits on the corner of Calle 102 and 53. So they brought us out some condiments that we're about to eat. I should have got this to go, but we're going to eat again at the beach club that we're going to. So I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like. I make my own banana tacos and they are amazing. But gracias. But I wanted to try them here. I have not been able to find a place that had them like this since I've been here.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know.
We made it to Progreso, which is a small little beach town. The sign's right behind me. Right outside Merida, about a half an hour. So we're gonna find our people, which they're somewhere around here. And the water looks super duper amazing right now. So I guess the guy saw we were foreigners and he was just like, them and our people. Hi. Where's the mirror in the mat? Hi.
I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm feeling a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running.
So pretty much what a beach club is, it's free most of the time, and you just have to pay, like buy food. So there might be a cover of 300 pesos per person or 150 pesos per person. It really just depends. So you just buy food. So that's what I just did. I just ordered something. I'm about to check to see if it is over there because I was somewhere else. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty much chill. Everybody's doing their own thing. There's some dogs here. There's, you know, there's different beach clubs all over here. So far, this is my first beach club I've been to here in Progreso. But I've also been to one in Tulum, and that was the hip club, and that one was pretty chill. So we like that one. Watch out, Mackenzie!
Get my picture, get my picture.
Oh, I'm not taking a picture! Y'all better jump! I got this big old hat on because it was like the sun was, you know, on my head. But now we're about to leave. We're right in front of the, I guess, the Progreso sign. Every city down here has a colorful sign like this. We are leaving. We've been here for about 5 hours and we're waiting for an Uber, which I think is this car coming right here. But if you are in town and want to head up the beach, I definitely suggest this place. It was easy to get to in about 25 minutes from our house. I'll check you guys in the next video. Bye.